Hi, my name is Connie and I'm an occupational therapist with Calgary Catholic. In this video, I'm going to share how you can use different sensations to help your child calm their bodies, to cope a little better, and to better participate in the activities that they need or want to do. When a child is stressed, or if they're becoming upset or overwhelmed, we can change the sensory input they're experiencing, helping them to calm themselves or to prevent a big reaction. Stress can come from being tired, hungry, feeling unwell, or if what they're trying to do is too hard for them at the time. So the first category is vision or sight tools. Visuals are crucial to helping us manage ourselves. Think of your calendar and your watch. As adults, we get so much more information from pictures than we do from lists. So for children who may not be reading, visuals are extra helpful. Give your child's day structure and routine whenever possible, especially during times of uncertainty. Give them a list of pictures as a visual schedule of what to expect in their day and to avoid surprises, like a grocery store visit when they were thinking playtime. Give warnings before changes, such as 2 more minutes of play and then lunch. Giving them a list of pictures in a strip like this helps them to know when they get up, they get dressed, they go for breakfast, then they're going to have some quiet reading or book time, they're going to go play outside, and then they're going to come in and wash their hands. In kindergarten, kids learn about calendars, so help them to keep track of the days by crossing out as they go, or you can combine shapes into pictures to help them draw something fun they did that day or something they have to look forward to. For kids who can't tell time, you can use a timer, like a wind-up kitchen timer, to help them understand how much time they have to wait for or how much time they have to work for. And if you don't have that, you can always put a sticky or tape on the clock to show how much time they have left to wait. Calming visual tools include a favorite picture book, a lava lamp, a glow stick, maybe a flashlight covered with tissue paper or a cloth, indoor Christmas lights or battery-operated lights, sensory bottles, and calm down jars. Coloring books can be great too, if your child likes coloring. Visuals that can help manage regulation and energy levels are things like a bunny and a turtle. Kids know that when they go to the park, they can run fast like a bunny. When they come inside and they're getting ready for bed, we can slow ourselves down like a turtle. And when we're eating or working, we like to be just right. At bedtime, even just showing a picture of a turtle might help them really clearly understand that now is the time to slow down and get ready for bed. We can also compare how our bodies have an engine, just like our cars do. We can speed up to go really fast, and we can use tools to slow our body down. Fast does not always mean bad. Just like I said, it's okay to be fast if you're running around the park or at a birthday party. And it's okay to be slow if you're getting ready for bed or having quiet time. Otherwise, when we're reading or working, we like to be just right. Of course, favorite books and stories are great visuals. Sound and hearing. Help your child to set up a quiet corner that they can use to take a break when they're overwhelmed. A sheet can be turned into a tent. They can find a comfy chair, just even a pillow and a blanket on the floor. But try to find something relaxing to help them with calming rather than sending them to their bed, which they might see as punishment or upsetting. You could try playing soft music while they're working and coloring, Or you could try something like white noise, like a fan, that might help block out distractions like dogs barking, traffic or sirens, or the TV. Headphones can also help block out sounds or noises, like siblings. And remember to speak with a quiet, soothing voice if you see that they're escalating, and maybe even whisper. Scent or nose tools. Some children might find that lavender lotion or bath soap is calming. Smelly markers might make them more interested in coloring. And a dot of scented chapstick on their hand might be nice for them. If you do make your own Play-Doh, you can try adding scents like peppermint or vanilla, cinnamon, or drink powders such as orange Kool-Aid. Mouth tools. Some kids like to chew on their shirt collars or cuffs, or seem to always be putting non-edible things in their mouths. Try offering these kids crunchy snacks like carrots, pretzels, apple slices, or some may prefer chewy snacks like bagels and fruit leather. Try offering drinks with a straw, especially thick drinks like a milkshake where they really have to suck on it. Let your child blow bubbles. Offering a sip of water helps most people calm down when they're upset. Remember to have healthy snacks on hand when you're out or between meals to avoid a hungry child. There are many breathing tools that your child might like. A few are figure 8 breathing, where they trace their finger to breathe in and breathe out. Balloon breathing. Rainbow breathing. Hot chocolate or cake breathing. Smell the cake. Blow the candle. Hot chocolate, breathe it in. Blow it to cool it off. You can also use a Kleenex. Or a pinwheel if you have one. Remember to do slow breathing into your belly, not fast, and to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Games using forceful breaths can be really helpful. If you have a cotton ball or a small object that can be a soccer ball and a straw, you can blow it across the table into a goal that you built out of erasers or Lego or cups. Or you can use something like a bag that I cut a hole out of, and you're blowing the sheep across the floor into the barn. If you can get your kids to do this on their hands and knees across the floor, you get the added benefit of building up their shoulder strength and their hand strength and the longer duration of forceful breathing. Touch. Hand tools and fidgets can really help children calm down. Try having kids roll, squeeze, or squish putty in their hands, or draw in Play-Doh or plasticine. The rhythmic motion of winding a bolt and a nut can be calming, but only if you're not concerned about the choking hazards. Offer a favorite blanket, a teddy, or a soft piece of fabric that they can roll back and forth in their fingers. You can use a tactile bin and fill it with rice or beads or sand and just let them run their fingers through it, or they can search for small toys or letters inside. You can also make your own fidget or stress ball by filling a balloon with a bit of flour, sugar, Play-Doh, rice, beans, little pebbles, and then they can squeeze it and push it between their fingers. Your child might really love playing in the sink. So give them turkey basters, spray bottles, and droppers, empty mustard or ketchup bottles, anything that they can play with to help them strengthen their hands at the same time. The next video will address movement, games, and activities to help with self-regulation.